Today we're here for the Northwest Pennsylvania Regional Championship for First LEGO League. This is our 14th annual one, and we have 25 teams of students from grades 4 to 8 in the region here to compete. This year it's called Masterpiece, and it's all about innovating and encouraging art in technology, how to promote it and how to integrate it. It showcases all of the STEAM fields, right? Science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. So they do things from the design of the robot, the programming of the robot, to the communication that they have to do with the presentation, as well as how to market the team and look for sponsorship. Personally, I hope the students consider taking more math and science courses when they get up to high school. And then I also hope that they kind of explore more careers that would be related to this. And there are a few robotic teams in the region in the high school level, so maybe these kids will go on and do that.